Alrighty folks, welcome back to another episode of Carter with Jenko Fishing. It's been a while, and we're in the storage unit. You guys may be wondering, what is this storage unit holding it? There's nothing in it right now. But right here in front of me, I got the new rig. So headed down to Drew University. I've been here about 2 weeks, and I picked up my boat recently. If you guys saw my video back in April, had a lot of stuff go down with this boat. So we drove down here to Missouri, bought the boat. 15 minutes later, a guy took a left in front of us, T-boned him, totaled Eric's truck, and the boat was out of commission for the entire summer. But got a little facelift. We got a new trailer on it, and then we got some gel coat work done, very minor. And I was very lucky that the boat is still intact. It runs great, and kind of want to do a rundown of this boat. So it's a very unique boat, and I bought it off James Watson. If you guys know him, fishes the Bass Pro Tour, and this was his backup boat. So it's a little project boat. It's a Ranger 364V. Might as well turn around and show you guys. And as you can see, we got a couple things added to it. So far I've been running it this week just on Table Rock, Bull Shoals, Stockton, and it's been a great boat for sure. First, we're gonna run up here to the front and just kind of show you guys. So just an overall shot of the boat. So sharp boat for 1988. The insurance got us that new trailer, paid a little bit extra for the dual axle, but that trailer is really sharp compared to the one that I had on there before. So it sucked that I had to wait that long for the trailer, but we got a new one. It's looking pretty sharp. So starting up here at the front, we got all Garmin on this. So we got two 106 SVs up here. Been dialing in the live scope this week on Table Rock, and it has been fun time. Garmin 4 trolling motor, first time running this. I've only ever seen them ran them for like maybe 5 minutes. But it has been a great trolling motor so far. Very quiet, very powerful. And we also it came with the boat, these cool crappie lights. So you can see we got purple and blue lights running down the thing. Then coming over here, this is, by the way, this is a 17'10", so it fishes two people out of the front pretty nice because we got this deck extension. So here I've been kind of storing all my drinks and stuff in there. And I got the live scope box back there. Yeah, haven't really done much with that, but this is like my main compartment. So this is part of the deck extension. Store all my tackle in there. Pretty awesome to have my own little thing to put tackle in. Being a co-angler for so long, it is nice to be able to just bring whatever I want on the water down here. Kind of just got life jackets, sweatshirts, random stuff in there. Then we got another 106 SV here. We got hydraulic steering, all the trim switches for jack plate trim, new throttle box, and then that rod locker over there that stores like up to 7 footers. So not very useful, but I mean I can get a couple in there. Here we got OG bench seats. So these are the original seats that came with the boat. Obviously they're a little tore up here, but is very comfortable for sure. I'm thinking about changing them out. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, very comfortable seats. Now we come back here to the end, the special stuff. So big change here with the boat. We got a 175 Pro XS. So that is the max rated motor for this boat. And man, this thing, I've been driving it around quite a bit now. I put, I think, 10 hours on the boat since I got it. So 10 and some odd change. But here, let me get back here. I can barely see. But yeah, so this boat is pretty quick for a 17'10" boat, just because it's this, this is a max rated motor. You have a 4-stroke, there's gonna be added torque to that, and it runs, highest I've gotten up to is 63.6. It does get a lot of lift, because we got so much going on back here. That boat gets pretty high out of the water. And then we got Pro 2 Series power poles on the back here. I think you went with these just because they're lighter, but I haven't really used them much. I've been fishing deep mostly. Running a 4-blade, little extra bite. Over here, another power pole. We got 8-inch TH Marine hydraulic jack plate. And then back here in the battery compartment, we got Miller Tech lithiums, 3-bank charger, and an AGM over there for our electronics and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the rig, and super glad I was able to get into this boat, and it's been a great rig so far. I'm looking forward to it. This thing has 7 years of warranty left on it, and I bought it with 10 hours. So this boat's gonna last for a long time, as long as I want to keep it, I would think. And so far everything's been running great. Obviously, once we start traveling, you're probably gonna run into some problems, but for now, this has been a great boat for sure. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little rundown. I've been fishing probably 7-8 days already since I got here. Really haven't been doing all that well. I mean, we've caught some big fish, but just not like a pattern. Kind of just been figuring out the lakes and driving around. But I'm definitely going to, at some point, start filming during the times I go out after class. I do want to make some videos. I'm going up to Lake of the Ozarks this weekend for the first time, and I definitely want to try to make some vlogs out of that. But I ain't really catching much right now, so we'll see. But yeah, that is my first rig. It's been a great boat so far, and hopefully gonna win some college derbs. So I got my first one coming up on Kentucky Lake. I'll probably film that. It's a big bass deal, and then right after that, I'm leaving for the St. Lawrence, and hopefully going to do well up there. And yeah, this is the beginning of the college fishing experience. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the boat here, gonna work on some stuff, and we will see you guys on the next episode of Carter with Jenko Fishing. Peace.